important that we learn the linguistics of NVC. And if our body and our emotions are saying one thing and our words are saying another, then our listeners will receive a double message. It's essential for presencing ourselves, for leading our own lives and others, that we come from a unified place. Heart, mind, intuition are all working in unison. So the practices I bring help to turn the nonviolent communication basics inward, to reconcile some of the conflicts that we have inside. In this work, where we develop nonviolent communication as a lifelong practice and an art, we come in contact with ourselves. We come face to face with the histories that we've embodied and the strategies we have used. Some of those have worked and some need some changes. So in order to make those changes, we have to really discover what it is that matters to us now, what we care about, our deepest needs. Then notice what it is that we have practiced in our life and choose practices now that would support who it is we want to be and who we want to become. I bring in the basics of how to develop nonviolent communication in a way that it is felt. And from that felt place and that deep caring, the words emerge. I'm finding such a value to training over time, to doing it in a way where there's a space and the rhythm and practice.